How to perform the pre-use tests on the ZKL 3000RC before deployment. When you first receive the device, or before deploying the device, you must conduct a few pre-use tests prior to using the device. Make sure you're in a position of safety before doing so. You must check the next inspection due date, which is detailed on the stickers. Make sure that none of the stickers are damaged. Visually check the device for general wear and tear, ensuring the contact points are in good condition. If required, clean them with a wired brush. Next, you will need to open the battery compartment lid using the battery compartment key. This is the key. You need to ensure adequate power is applied to battery slot 2, which is here. This can be done by either connecting a backup battery or the main battery into battery slot 2, as shown here. Once you've done this, lock the battery compartment lid using the key. Now wait 10 seconds for the device to power up. Turn the key switch to its on overruled position. Now you need the test tool. This is the test tool. You need to place the test tool in between the contact points and then squeeze them together. This is to gain a good detection quality. You now need to check the green LED is flashing twice per second. Observe this for at least 5 seconds. Check the green LED stops flashing when the test tool is removed. Once you've confirmed all these tests have passed, the ZKL 3000RC is ready to be installed. If not, please do not use this ZKL 3000RC. Please tag the device, quarantine it, and report it to the appropriate person. If you see a solid red LED, this indicates a low battery. You will need to replace the battery and perform the tests again. If you see a solid green LED, this indicates a device issue. Do not use this ZKL 3000RC. Please tag the device, quarantine it, and report it to the appropriate person. If you need further guidance or instruction on how to use the device, Joule Inventive offers support on-site, over the phone, or online. Call us on 03300 169 033 or email support@jouleinventive.co.uk.